Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. In today's video, we are going to do B1 Schreiben Teil 2. I have already made one video. So this is the second video on Teil 2, Schreiben. You are already aware in Schreiben part, you need to write 2 emails and one opinion. So what kind of opinion, what kind of question is available? So we'll see in this video. Stay tuned till end and please write your feedback in the comment box. So this is the question, as you can see on the screen. Sie haben im Fernsehen eine Dokumentarsendung zum Thema Gewalt im Fernsehen gesehen. So Gewalt im Fernsehen, this is the topic. First of all, you need to understand in this tile, what is the topic? What is your thema where you express your opinion? So I have highlighted here, Gewalt im Fernsehen. This is the topic. You need to understand first this thing. Im Online-Guestbuch der Sendung lesen Sie folgenden Kommentar. So in below there is a box. I have not written anything in the box, but in the exam you will get some points, some few lines on the same topic. It's an online guest book, visitors book. So somebody has left some comment. So such kind of box will be visible to you in the paper, but I have not written anything. 3-4 lines will be there. So you can read those lines in the comment box. What another person has written about the topic. On the basis of that, you will express your opinion. So first of all, it is important to understand what is Gewalt im Fernsehen means. Gewalt means violence in TV. In television, there are lots of programs that shows some kind of violence, and it is not good for any type of audience, any type of viewers. So you need to express your opinion. What do you think about that? Is it okay? Is it good? Not good? What kind of impression it left on the audience? So you write your opinion. You are free to write. So this is the tile swai. So I have attempted these questions and I have written my opinion. Although it is required 80 words, but I have written just few lines here so that you get an idea how to attempt this tile swai. So what I have written, die Dokumentarsendung ist nicht gut für die Zuschauer. Die Dokumentarsendung means such kind of Gewalt, in which Gewalt, violence is being shown, not good for the audience, Zuschauer. Ich stimme mit Kirsten zu. So here Kirsten is the name of the person who has left here the comment in the box. Since you cannot see any comment, but there must be some name of the person and then he left the comment. So the name of the person was given in the question was Kirsten. So I have written I agree with Kirsten. Means Kirsten was saying that it is not good. It leaves a bad impression and it is in any way it is not good for the audience to watch such kind of documentary film. So I say I agree with Kirsten. Ich stimme mit Kirsten zu. Es macht bestimmt einen schlechten Einfluss auf die Personen. It makes definitely a bad impression, schlechten Einfluss on the people. Ich bin der Meinung, dass, here, das will come. Ich bin der Meinung, dass diese manchmal okay ist. Means such kind of Dokumentar is sometimes okay, aber wenn man ständig anschaut, dann gibt es keine positive Auswirkung. Sometimes it is okay, you can watch it. But if somebody watch ständig, means continuously, somebody watch it continuously, very frequently, then there is no positive effect. There is no positive effect, but there is a negative effect. I mean to say that. Ich meine means believe. I believe, die Sendungen und die Medien sind den Spiegel der Gesellschaft. Such kind of program and the media are the mirror of the society. Spiegel der Gesellschaft. This is you can see Genitive Spiegel der, mirror of the society. Aber es ist nicht immer so, was hier gezeigt wird. But it is not always so what is here shown. Society is not always like that what is shown here. Sometimes it is exaggerated. Man muss vernünftig sein beim Anschauen. One has to be rational, intelligent during watching beim Anschauen. Vernünftig means rational, very, very, very intelligent, very rational. You need to think from both the aspects. Just don't take it as it is, what is being shown. Just apply your brain and think what is correct and what is incorrect. Das hängt von der Person ab, wie er oder sie es annimmt. It depends on the person how he or she accept it, take it, annehmen. Gewalt ist auf keinen Fall akzeptiert. Gewalt, violence is not acceptable at any point of time. In any case, auf keinen Fall. In any case, it is not accepted. Ich bin persönlich dagegen. Personally, I am against it. So this is my short opinion about the topic. I've just given you an idea how to attempt this style. I hope you liked it. It will be helpful for all those who are preparing for B1 examination in coming days. So I will add this in the playlist so you can watch some other videos based on B1 German examination. So that's all in this video. Bye bye. Take care.